Hi again, everybody. This is Vince with Insurance School. Today we're going to talk about why your claims may be denying for your health insurance. Sometimes you get a notification from a provider that, hey, your insurance isn't paying for your claims, they're being denied, and we don't know what's going on. Really important to make sure you're checking that mail. Sometimes your insurance company might be sending you letters, and instead of putting them in the circular file, as they used to call them, it's a good idea to open those envelopes up, make sure that you look inside, take a look at something that the insurance company may be sending you. It may be a request for what's called the coordination of benefits. We'll talk about what coordination of benefits are today so that you have a little bit better idea of what needs to be done if you receive one of those letters, or if you receive a phone call from your doctor's office or a facility where you had, let's say, an x-ray, and they say, hey, your claims aren't being processed because your insurance company is asking you to call them to let them know whether you have any other insurance or not. Again, please join my channel, subscribe, hit the like button for the information so my information gets out to more and more people out there that are looking for answers to questions they may have in regards to their health insurance, auto insurance, homeowners insurance, life insurance. I try to do my best to gather information. If you have questions, put your questions down below. I'll be happy to answer those questions, create some more videos for you. But today what we're going to talk about is coordination of benefits. Coordination of benefits oftentimes, usually around the beginning of the calendar year, you may receive a letter from your insurance company asking, hey, do you or anybody else on your insurance plan have any other insurance besides the insurance that just started on January 1st of this year? If you don't reply to that letter, or if, like I said earlier, you decide that it's not something that's going to be important because it's insurance and most everybody can't stand or hates insurance, they don't want to deal with it, it's a pain in the neck, there's more troubles than it's worth. Ignoring those letters that are sent out to you from your insurance company requesting information from you could clog up the claims processing for you, and you may not have your claims being paid. Your doctor's not going to get paid. Your facility where you may have had an x-ray or a CT scan or an MRI is not going to get paid. You might have laboratory services that are being denied because you have not replied back to your insurance company, letting the insurance company know that either you do or you don't have other insurance. And oftentimes, if you have a married couple, husband might have insurance with his company, the wife might have insurance with her company, and your insurance, whether it's husband or wife or both, needs to know if there's primary and or secondary insurance. The only reason or the only way that they're going to find that information out is by you replying back to their letter asking you to update the coordination of benefits. Coordination of benefits is if you have any other insurance, it gives the other insurance company the information about your insurance. So you're going to reply back to your insurance company, you're going to let them know if you have other insurance with possibly your spouse, what the member ID is for that insurance policy, what the contact phone number for the insurance policy that you have as secondary might be, when that insurance policy started as well. It's important that you give all that information to your current insurance company so they can coordinate who's going to pay first and who's going to pay second under your policy plan. If you don't give them a call back and update that information, claims will be denied until you do so. And you won't know that until you get an explanation of benefits. Explanation of benefits is something that we're going to talk about in another video coming up. It's really important that you open that mail, look at what's going on, the information is being requested from your insurance company, and get back to the insurance company. Now, sometimes the insurance company may say, call us and give us the information that we need. You want to make sure that you've written everything down, because the last thing you want to do is call your insurance company and be on hold for an hour while you're trying to get through to somebody that can take all the information, and you not being prepared with all the information that's needed. So what you want to do is take a look at that letter and write down all the specific information that your insurance company is requesting from you if you do have any other insurance. Now, sometimes you may have a young adult in your household, a son or a daughter, that might be a dependent on your insurance plan, but they have their own job. And through their own job, they have purchased their own insurance for whatever reason that might be. And it's important, once again, that you ask your children adult children that have jobs, if they have their own health insurance, about that insurance plan. Again, gather the insurance company name, what business that's insured under, who is the member dependent on your plan that has other insurance, and where they have it, when it started, and what the contact phone number is for the other insurance company. All this information needs to be gathered. It needs to be provided to your insurance company. Like I said, otherwise claims are going to be denied. So it's really important that you get back to your insurance company. Another option that they give you sometimes is actually logging into your insurance company's website. And then by logging into the website, they will actually allow you the opportunity to update that all that information for you on the website as well. They'll send you a confirmation or maybe a reference number through the website as well. So 2 ways to do it. Pick up the phone, call your insurance company, get all the information that you need beforehand, give the representative at the insurance company all that other insurance information, and then ask them for a specific reference number. Make note of the person's name that you've spoken to. I like to tell my kids, my members, my former customers, I used to say, hey, you know what, write down the date, the time, the name of the representative you're talking to. If they have an extension, ask them for an extension, and ask them for that reference number, so that if anything comes back to you, you at least have some record of the person that you've spoken to at your insurance company to get that the coordination of benefits updated for you. So really important. Make sure you reply back to your insurance company with any information that they're requiring. You want to make sure that these claims get processed properly, efficiently, and in a timely manner, so that your providers are not going to be hounding you 30, 60, 90 days down the road because that's not been updated and these claims have denied and they still haven't received payment from your insurance company. That could go to collections. And the last thing you want to do is deal with a collections company as opposed to going to your insurance company and providing the insurance company all the information that they need. It's a simple process. So take the time, answer the letter from your insurance company, get back to them. And even if you don't have any other insurance, even if you don't have any other insurance, your spouse doesn't have any other insurance, your children don't have any other insurance, don't ignore the letter. You still need to call them, let them know, hey, we don't have any other insurance. You need to process the claims under our current insurance plan so that these providers get paid and there's no repercussions with us getting sent to collections because this hasn't been handled. Again, if you appreciate the information that I'm providing to you on my videos here, Insurance School for You is especially for you. So please do hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the notifications button as well, so that more people out there that have questions about their health insurance, life insurance, all home and auto insurance can stop by and gather the information on the different videos that I'm creating. Thank you again for watching. You have yourself a wonderful week, and welcome to Insurance School for You. Take care now. Bye.